I am Soikat Bandyopadhyay, your workshop instructor. Today we will discuss about the welding process. Welding process is the second important process after fitting. Okay. So what is welding process? Welding is a process of joining two similar metal by the application of heat and with or without application of pressure. So first of all, welding process is classified as two types. One is pressure welding, another is non-pressure or fusion welding. In pressure welding, the metal pieces are joined by the application of pressure and as well as heat. But in non-pressure or fusion welding, no pressure is required for welding the two metal. Only heat is required. For joining two metal. Next, we will discuss in our class about MMAW. That means manual metal arc welding. Manual metal arc welding. So here are two metal pieces. We have to join by using MMAW, manual metal arc welding. Now here I have written some common type of welding which are used in workshop. That is, first of all, MMAW, manual metal arc welding. Second, gas welding. Third, MIG welding. MIG or MAG. MIG means metal inert gas welding or metal active gas welding. And T, tungsten inert gas welding or TAG, tungsten active gas welding. Spot welding and seam welding. So now these four types of welding are non-pressure welding or fusion welding, and these two types of welding are pressure welding. So we will learn in our workshop, mechanical workshop, only these two types of welding in your first year syllabus. Before starting and welding operation, we need to take some precaution. First of all, we have to wear the apron to protect from any spatter or fire. We have to wear the apron like this. Next, we will take the helmet and we have to wear the hand gloves like this. This is hand gloves. And next, we have to wear the goggles, safety goggles, to protect your eyes like this. So this is the complete protection setup which we have to use during the time of welding. And this is welding seal. The function here is a black glass which protect from the ultraviolet ray which are produced during the time of welding. So we have to take this welding seal during the time of welding to protect our eyes from UV ray. Starting the welding operation, we have to know the necessary tools required in welding operation. Okay, first of all, we have to make the edge. We have to make the edge like V shape. Okay, here are the most common tools used in welding operation. First of all is steel rule. Second, odd leg caliper. Third, punch. Fourth, file, bastard file, and hammer, ball peen hammer. Okay, the thickness of the plate is 5 mm. Okay, so next we have to take the half of the thickness has like 2 mm in odd leg caliper, and next we have to mark the both side of the workpieces. After that, the punching is required to permanent marking line like this. Okay, the punching is done. So first of all, we have to we are holding the job in bench pipes like this. Okay. Next, we are filing the edge of the workpieces like this. So this is a cross filing process. Don't do straight filing in this type of filing operation. Now filing is done. If we put the two plates together, okay, it just like the side view, it just seeing like V. Okay, so this is the edge preparation. This means the edge preparation. Okay, you have got it. Now we will go in our welding workshop to demonstrate about the welding setup and welding machine and other equipment which are used in welding workshop. So here this is arc welding machine. So there are two types of machine. First of all is DC machine and AC machine. DC means direct current, AC means alternative current. So here this machine is AC type welding machine, and inside the AC type welding machine here we used a transformer, but inside of DC welding machine there we used a generator. Okay, this is the two terminal of the machine. One is positive and one is negative. Positive is connected with the workpieces and negative is connected to the holder. This is electrode holder and this is the electrode. So what is the function of the electrode? Electrode is used during the time of joining of the two metal, and this electrode is melted and will be melted and deposited in the gap of the two metal pieces. So this is the process of holding the electrode into electrode holder. Just press it and hold it there. Okay. Now we will on the switch of the welding machine. So again here I am saying that there are two terminals. First of all is positive terminal which is connected to the table or workpieces, and another is negative terminal which is connected, that is called earthing clamp, and this is negative terminal is connected to the electrode holder. Now we are switching on the machine. Okay, the light is on here. Okay. Next, if we terminal with the positive terminal, a spark will produce like this. So here, what are the principles? This is negative terminal, this is positive terminal. The electron will flow from negative to positive terminal. If we strike this and if After striking, if we maintain 2 or 3 millimeter distance between the electrode and workpieces, the spark will continue, because the electron from the negative to the positive will flow, continuously flow, and the spark will stabilize. Okay, this is welding field. I already told you what is the function of this field. Okay, now let us see how the welding joint is made. Okay, first of all, you have to weld into point, first point and end point, top point and bottom point of the workpieces. This is called tacking. Okay, after tacking, we will complete the welding. So welding is almost done. After welding, we have to remove this portion by the use of chipping hammer. This is chipping hammer and this is stone. Okay. So now we are removing a thin layer from the welding. What is this thin layer called? This is called slag, which is produced during the time of welding. Okay, the welding is done, but here I have forgotten to tell something. So this is welding electrode. This welding electrode is made the base metal which we are now welding. The base metal which are this metal welding electrode is metal which are the same composition of this metal, and here is a small layer. This is called flux over the electrode. This flux when burned, and this flux is burned and converted into this slag, which protect this joint from any oxidation. The function of flux is to protect this joint from any oxidation, to add some alloying element into this portion, and to taken out some impurities which already have into the material. Okay.